Hi, my name is Lindsey Stadler, and today I'm going to be talking to you about food web ecology of nearshore fishes along a gradient of glacially influenced watersheds. Climate change is having major impacts on our planet, especially in high latitude systems like Alaska. Increasing temperatures are causing glaciers to melt faster, which is increasing freshwater flux into nearshore systems. Why do we care? This can have major effects on things like food source availability, ultimately having the potential to alter the nearshore food web as we know it. For example, more freshwater into the system may be linked to more terrestrial organic matter versus marine. What will this mean for the future of our nearshore ecosystems? That's what I want to know. For my master's degree, I'm working with Dr. Katrin Eichen researching how these important ecosystems are being affected. Specifically, I'm looking at food web ecology of nearshore fishes along a gradient of glacially influenced watersheds in Kachemak Bay. I will be analyzing the diet of 3 species of abundant nearshore fishes at 5 different sites with a range of 0 up to 60% glacial cover. I want to see if sites with higher glacial influence are linked with fish diets containing higher degrees of terrestrial organic matter versus marine. I will also be analyzing crescent gunnels seasonally from March to September. Within this time period, there are representations of before, during, and after peak glacial melt. This will hopefully allow me to see any potential seasonal changes in diet relative to glacial influence. Now, why focus on fish? Fish are important ecosystem integrators. They're fundamental to aquatic food webs, often serving as a link between primary producers and higher level consumers. Why the extra focus on crescent gunnels? They are abundant in the nearshore and are also quite sedentary, meaning they don't move around much. This makes them a great specimen for my study since I want to see if diets change based on site-specific variables. Staghorn sculpin are moderately mobile, and starry flounder are considered highly mobile in the nearshore. These 3 species also vary morphologically as well as with their habitat use strategies, and may serve as useful comparisons when contemplating my main research questions, which are 1, are there any effects of glacial discharge? 2, are there any seasonal changes? And 3, are there any differences by habitat use strategies? To go about answering these questions, I'm analyzing both stomach contents, which will give me a detailed snapshot of what they've just eaten, and bulk carbon and nitrogen stable isotopes, which will give me an idea of what they've eaten and incorporated into their tissues over time. All of this will hopefully help in gaining a better understanding of how glacial melt influences the nearshore food web in the face of a changing climate. Thanks for your attention.